Hello, everyone. The video shows how to use Simple Proxy Switcher extension on Google Chrome browser. Here I use YiLuProxy for getting multiple proxy IPs. Firstly, configure YiLuProxy settings as shown video. Add this extension on Chrome browser. Click the icon. Import proxy. It supports HTTP or HTTPS protocols. For IP port format, we can use local port forwarding for all YiLuProxy IPs. For the fixed port, right-click an IP and connect. You can see the proxy IP information on the top left. Then enter 127.0.0.1:1080. For multi-port forwarding, right-click an IP and select a port. Enter local IP 127.0.0.1 and port. For dynamic IP and mobile IP, select a location, then refresh. Right-click an IP and select a port. Enter the IP and port again. For IP port, login password and login password at IP port.
Only dynamic IP and mobile IP can use the two formats. Select a format, then select a location, refresh.
Right-click an IP and copy IP information.
Paste it. Save. Then select a proxy to use. Enter epinfo.io to check the IP address. The IP address is consistent with YiLuProxy IP. Select another proxy and check again. Okay, the video is over. Thank you for watching and subscribing.